This is our PAC 520 horizontal flow wrapper. Our flow wrappers are manufactured in Italy, built robust, and tested in 24/7 production environments. As standard, we equip our PAC 520 with a pneumatic film reel to ensure film sintering and to prevent unwanted film tracking during production. Additionally, we have an adjustable former to give you a wide range of pouch adjustability when dealing with multiple products and sizes. Out of the box, our PAC 520 can package your individual products at up to 80 packages per minute. However, with some further upgrades, we can take your packaging speeds up to 120 packages per minute. Our Omron PLC touchscreen can adequately save and toggle up to 100 different recipes at a touch of a button, as well as control and adjust all machine settings and functions. The beauty of our flow wrappers is our ability to spec them for a wide range of product types and needs. Features such as gas flushing, cooling plates, print registration, best before date printing, misplaced product sensing, and no product, no bag provisions are just some examples of options we can cater to for your specific product. Contact our sales team today to discuss your needs and how we can help take your operation to the next level of success with our PAC 520 flow wrapper.